everyone, welcome back to our 30-day vocabulary series. So this is Harsha and you are watching Minute to Fluent with Harsha. So today's word of the day is inquisitive. Yes, the correct pronunciation is inquisitive. Repeat after me, inquisitive. Correct. We use inquisitive as an adjective. Now let's understand the meaning. Inquisitive means someone who's very curious and always wants to learn or know more. हिंदी में इंक्विजिटिव का मतलब होता है जिसको हर चीज के बारे में जानने की बहुत इच्छा या जिज्ञासा होती है, हर चीज के बारे में वो सीखना चाहता है, उसे कहते हैं इंक्विजिटिव. नाउ हियर आर सम सिनोनिम्स ऑफ दिस वर्ड. क्यूरियस, eager to learn and questioning. These are the synonyms you can use instead of inquisitive. Now let's understand this word more with some examples. Children are naturally inquisitive about everything. An inquisitive person always tries to learn new things. Now I'll give you a simple trick to understand this word more better. Think about a small children. बच्चे क्या करते हैं? हर बात में क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. ये क्या हुआ, ये कैसे हुआ, अब क्या होगा, what, how, everything. They keep asking question again and again. So this kind of person called inquisitive. So simple trick. बच्चों जैसे questions पूछना, inquisitive. Now here are some alternatives you can use instead. These are idioms and phrasal verbs. Curious as a cat. She is curious as a cat. Eager to learn. She is eager to learn new things. Or you can say she is always eager to learn new things. Look into. I'll look into this topic. This is phrasal verb. So these will help you sound natural in conversations. So that's all for today. I'll see you in my next video with another powerful word in our 30-day vocabulary series. I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you.